Holy Titty Tuesday, Batman! I'm back. And it's been a while. It's been a long time. We shouldn't have left you without a dope beat to step to. So back in the building. It's been a while, so I'm glad to see you guys. Everybody. Hope everybody's been well. Everybody's staying blessed. Everybody's well fed. And we're keeping free of any kind of toxins and diseases and all types of just bad chemicals out of our bodies. And that's why I'm with you today, because we're going to get into a food review. I haven't done one of these in a while, so it's definitely a long time coming, and I'm excited. So we're going to start off with some ribs. These are boneless ribs, and they're frozen, in all honesty. They're the Jack Daniels brand that you can buy at the supermarket. I got these from Walmart, and they're Jack Daniels honey barbecue something or other. It looked good on the box, but when I opened it up, it looked a little bit frozen and not how it looked on the box. Kind of like a cereal. Cereal always looks better on the box than when you open it up. It's smaller and you don't see all that texture that you see on a magnified picture of it. And then we got some greens. Collard greens, just, nothing fancy. And it's basically from the can, the Glory collard greens. These are pretty good though. I have to tell you, I made this with sides and as a side from like turkey wings, and it does the job. It's kind of spicy from what I've had before, but let's go give it a taste. Mmm, very good. See, I've had greens before that, or just greens, and those are the healthiest greens, where you don't have any taste, you don't have any, like, not when I say taste, like, you don't have any, like, but it just tastes like greens. Not too much sodium. So, I'm curious about these though. I think I should have brought a knife and fork. These are good. Now these are boneless, so I can just chew right into it. Alrighty. Knife. See what this magic's about. Alrighty. It looks like nice texture. This is what it looks like up close, and it looks tasty. Looks like it's glazed with sauce. Kind of reminds me of a pork roast. Right away, when you first taste it, you can taste how sweet it is. You can taste the sauce. It is sweet, but then when you keep on chewing, you get the taste of all the other types of seasonings in it. It kind of tastes like a pork roast almost, with barbecue sauce on it. It's very good. I know for those that have been into the fast food world, McDonald's just released the McRib again, which they do frequently. So it kind of has it kind of has a McRib feel to it. Grab some bread, a roll or two. This will be making a pretty decent McRib. The greens are excellent. When we start having, when I can go out again, I'm probably gonna go to a few barbecue places, pick up where I left off, because Atlanta has some really great barbecue. So if you're ever in Atlanta, you gotta come out to some of the barbecue places here. We have Fat Matt's, exceptional barbecue. In the summertime, there's always a line outside, and there's live music at nighttime, or like on the weekend. So actually, any time of day, there's live band, live music, great atmosphere. It's very, the inside of the establishment is kind of small, so it's like it gets crowded. But if you get a seat, you sit down, you can eat your food, enjoy some music, and it's made great. It's made fresh. The meat is tender, and the sides there, they have some really good beans. They have rum beans. They have collard greens. They have Brunswick stew. I believe they have mac and cheese, and they have coleslaw. So Fat Matt's. It's on Piedmont Avenue, Piedmont Road, towards Midtown. And then Community Q is a good barbecue place. It's in Decatur, over on Claremont Road and North Decatur Road. Great barbecue. The thing about barbecue is you leave thinking that you're not gonna eat in a long time just because you're so full. So, and then they have really good brisket at Community Q. Our ribs are great. I feel like they have something else that I like too. I just forgot. I haven't been to Community Q in a long time. Probably maybe like 3 years. Last time I was there was with my friend Chris when he came to visit. I hope they're doing okay. I hope they're still open. And they say Fox Brothers barbecue is good too. Although I haven't been there, I heard it's really great barbecue. Also, Pig and Chick, great barbecue. I don't live anywhere near there anymore. I think they had two locations, more closer to like Midtown and the heart of Atlanta, as well as they did have one in Decatur. Um, Really great barbecue, and it was at a really good, decent price. Cause Fat Matt's is superb barbecue, superb food, quality's there, but the price is you're gonna get what you pay for. It's gonna be on a premium. Uh, Now, Pig and Chick, great food, decent quality, and it's more affordable. I believe they give you three meats and like one or two sides for under $20. You can't go wrong. That's like great, and it could feed a meal. It can feed two, and maybe even three people. Excuse me. So those barbecue spots are one of my favorites. I feel like this could use more barbecue sauce. We're gonna just try some of this Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue honey barbecue sauce. Never had honey barbecue sauce by Sweet Baby Ray's. I've always just had their original style barbecue sauce. You know, that Shaolin style barbecue sauce. That smack your lip barbecue sauce. That go spanky butt cheek barbecue sauce. That's what that is. This shit is good. This is definitely better than Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce original. And if you put this on something else, it's gonna just enhance it. It's gonna enhance that mofo by a ton. The sauce is the boss. So this is all the meat I have. There was two other pieces that my wife had, but we got a ton of greens left. So come on over. You can have some of the greens. And the greens are good. Well, I meant to keep this short and sweet. I know YouTube, a good YouTube video. Well, I can't say that a good YouTube video, but my videos need to be close to 15 minutes, no more than 20, so I'm gonna keep this short and sweet. I'm definitely gonna finish this, but hey Ranger. But yeah, What is your favorite barbecue sauce? For those that are watching, comment in the comment section and put it down what your favorite barbecue sauce is. I'd like to know, because there's a lot of barbecue sauce out there I haven't tried and I would love to try. She'll give me an idea on the next video of what barbecue sauce I can use. And just for shits and giggles, you know, I'd love to try a new barbecue sauce. Before I let you go, I'll list some of my favorite barbecue sauces. This one. I never had this until I came to Atlanta, to Georgia, was Sticky Fingers. Really good barbecue sauce, Sticky Fingers. And what other barbecue sauce? Stubbs is pretty good. I don't get Stubbs that often, but Stubbs is good barbecue sauce. And then you have like your, I think it's Heinz. Does Heinz make a barbecue sauce, or Kraft? I think Kraft makes barbecue sauce. That's okay. And then I'll just get like McDonald's barbecue sauce is good. Burger King's, but that's just like your generic fast food. Nothing like fancy about that. But another good barbecue sauce is Chick-fil-A's barbecue sauce. They used to have a barbecue sauce years ago called like Bold House, or no, Smokehouse barbecue sauce. I don't know if they still have that anymore, but that was the shit. That really was some good stuff because it tasted like hickory. It had that hickory taste to it. Now, Chick-fil-A, I don't get me started on Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A's got a lot of good barbecue sauces in general. One of which is the sriracha, spicy sriracha sauce. That's one of my favorite sauces. You can have it with fries, you can have it with chicken, you can have it with anything. You can put it on your burger, you can put it on your chicken sandwich, and the whole nine. So comment, let me know what your favorite sauces are, what your favorite barbecue spot is, or recommendations on what other barbecue spots in Atlanta, Georgia, in the Georgia area, or anywhere in the U.S. That are a great place to go to if you visit, if you go visit, that particular state. So with that being said, it was a pleasure spending some time with you guys tonight. It was good to see y'all again. And we'll catch you on the next one. Sayonara.